My name's Rusty Sitton. I'm the Redneck boat guy. I build two-cylinder racing outboard boats. I build the props to go on them, and we also sail a 33-foot catamaran named See Y'all Later. Hope you enjoy the channel. This video is going to be about Team Texas racing engines. Get ready, here we go. Here at Team Texas, we use a Yamato racing outboard. It's a direct drive unit that came to the United States as a cheap and very reliable outboard, and became very, very popular in the boat racing sport. We use it quite different than they do in Japan. They used to be cheap and reliable. Now they're just, well, reliable. These hot little engines are really fun. In Japan, they use them for parimutuel betting. They put them on a fiberglass boat and run around an oval course. We use them quite different here in the U.S. But I want to show you what they do in Japan with them. It's crazy. Here's a little video on that. That's wild, isn't it? Boy, those Japanese. We do something quite different here in the United States. We run them on a much lighter boat. It's quite a bit faster than they run. Mostly we run them in the stock version, but here you see the modified 102, which is a 24 cubic inch motor. We run in the NBRA, National Boat Racing Association. Have a lot of fun with those guys. This is our 20 cubic inch. It's called a MAD 80. It's our Mod 80. Got an open megaphone. Got a racing down housing and foot. We've been working on that. It's fresh and ready to go. If you want to hear one of these motors running, boy, here's a brand new fresh one. Of course, the pinnacle of the boat racing fun is when you get out there and compete with your buddies. Man, this wintertime work where you're playing around with the motors and fiddling with it, that's a lot of fun as well. Looking at float level, making sure we got everything just right. But this is the bad boy. This is a 24 cubic inch modified Yamato 102. Got a special down housing and foot made by Woody Leon Sr. This thing is bad to the bone. Pro Alky foot, a lot of custom parts. That pipe is awesome. I'll have to show you a little bit of details about it. This is our first startup when we got the motor. It's been in storage for 20 years. Second pull, it started right up. How about that sliding pipe? You ever seen a pipe like that and you know where to buy them? Let me know if you do. Actually, that's a one-off. There's only one ever been made by Woody Leon Sr. Quite unique. Really proud to have that motor. Show you a little bit more about that pipe, how it works. See those slots there on the side? You know, an open megaphone has really got some punch out of the corners. So what Woody did was he made the best of both worlds, an expansion chamber and a megaphone out of this. A megaphone has always been faster out of the turns. That open exhaust really gives you acceleration, but the expansion chamber is awesome on top end. See how that slides in and out? The tail cone and the tail pipe goes in and out and opens those holes right there to make a megaphone coming out of the turn. used to do a little bit of announcing back in the day after I quit racing. Let's put down a little boat race action here. Good buddy of mine, John Matthews, sent me this video. Him running a D-Hydro, lining up for the start. And here they go, trying to find position. They got to turn left. We're right at the end, getting ready to come to the chute. Still got to decide when to turn, when to go in. You got to go to the left of that big patch of trees right there. Looking at the competition, trying to find a hole. Here comes the, okay, is it time? Get lined up. Got to grab the throttle right at the exact right second. And here we go to the start line. Got 3 boats inside of him. Wide open. 3 boats wide, coming into the turn. But Rubbin's racing, isn't it? Okay. You know, now John's in 3rd place. The bad place to be. Out front, though, you got clean water. Back here, you not only got to contend with the water, the rough water at top speed, you got to drink through a fire hose if you get close to them. But you gotta keep going. Wide open past the start-finish line to the finish of the first lap. Here comes John Matthews, wide open, hanging it out. One more time into the fire hose, and here we go, and here, whoa!